Thank you for watching. This is my video greeting for my favorite saint, the rest of the child, Jesus. I want to say that I really, really love you. I am very thankful to our Lord for sending you to me, and you're really, really a great help for me, especially to my life, to my conversion, to my total conversion, and to my vocation. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best on your birthday. Today is your 140th birthday. I'm so happy that you are here in our country, Philippines. Thank you for visiting us. Your relic is very beautiful, and I'm so happy, very, very happy to see you. Thank you so much for your love and for interceding for us. Thank you. Thank you, Saint Therese. I really, really love you. You know, you know that this love is made for the greater glory of our Lord. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. God bless.